Hello everyone, this is Tanya from class 9A Prabhat Tara School. I am here to tell you about the natural vegetation and the wildlife of India. First of all, I would like to thank my subject teacher Miss Madhu who has given us the golden chance to speak about this beautiful topic, natural vegetation. Apart from this topic, there is one question that came in our mind, that what is nature? The nature refers to the phenomena of the physical world or the natural environment where humans are not involved in its creation. Now let us come to the topic, natural vegetation. It refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid and has been left undisturbed by humans for a long time. India is one of the 12 mega biodiversity countries of the world, and we are fortunate to live in that country which has variety of plant species, flowering plants, non-flowering plants, species of animals, and rich variety of fish in its fresh and marine water. There are two terms which came under the natural vegetation. They are the flora and the fauna. Flora, it denotes the plants of a particular region, and fauna, it refers the species of the animals. So, there are the different factors which affects the natural vegetation. They are first, land. Land affects natural vegetation directly and indirectly. Its fertile level is generally devoted to agriculture. Second, soil. Different types of soil provide basis for different types of vegetation. For example, the sandy soil supports cactus plants, the marshy soil supports mangrove vegetation, etc. Third, temperature. The character and extent of vegetation are mainly determined by temperature. Fourth, sunlight. Here the term came photoperiod, which refers the period of time each day during which an organism receives day length. Photoperiod is related to sunlight durations. Trees grow more faster in summer season due to the long photoperiod only. Now the fifth one, precipitation. We can say that this is the major factor of vegetation because areas of heavy rainfall have more dense vegetation as compared to the other areas of less rainfall. Now let us talk about the system called ecosystem. Ecosystem is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. Here also one question arises, that what makes up an ecosystem? Then all living things where plants, animals and bacteria are included, and all non-living things where the sun, rocks and the soils are included. There are the different types of natural vegetation. They are first, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and shrubs, and mountain forest, and the fifth one, mangrove forest. Now let us discuss in the details. First, tropical evergreen forest. These forests are dense, multi-layered and harbor many types of plants and animals. These forests are found in the areas receiving heavy rainfall, more than 200 cm annual rainfall. They are very dense. Therefore, these forests always appear green and are known as evergreen forests. These forests are found in the Western Ghats and the islands of the groups of Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar and the upper parts of Assam. Now the wildlife of the evergreen forest. The common animals which are found in these forests are elephant, monkey, lemur, deer, plenty of birds, bats, sloths, scorpions, snails are also found here. Second, tropical deciduous forest. This is the most widespread forest in India. There are two types of tropical deciduous forest. First, moist deciduous forest and second, dry deciduous forest. First, moist deciduous forest. These forests are found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeters, mostly in the northeastern states in the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Commercially important species are bamboo, sal, sesame, sandalwood, mulberry, etc. and teak is the most dominant species of these forests. Second, the dry deciduous forest. This forest is found in areas having rainfall between 100 centimeters and 70 centimeters, present in the rainier parts of the peninsular plateau and the plains of the Bihar and the Uttar Pradesh. The most common plant species which are found in this forest are teak, sal, peepal, etc. and the common animals which are found here are lion, tiger, pig, deer, elephants, lizards, snakes, tortoise and the varieties of birds. Now the third type of the natural vegetation, that is the tropical thorn forest and the scrubs. These are found in the region with less than 20 centimeters of rainfall. Trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil to get moisture. The natural vegetation consists of thorny trees, bushes, acacias palms and cacti. Common animals which are found here are rats, mice, rabbits, fox, wolves, tiger, lion, wildlife, horses and the camel. Now the fourth type of the natural vegetation is the mountain forest. They are found on all continents with the exception of the Antarctic. They grow beyond an altitude of 500 meters. Here trees are found in lower lying areas. The trees have adapted to the cool climate, heavy downpours and the intense sunshine. Common plants which are found here are cedars, pines, spruce trees and the juniper plant. And the common animals which are found here are Kashmir stag, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, bear, rare red panda, sheep and the goats. Now the fifth type of this is the mangrove forest. These forests are found in the areas of coast influenced by tides where mud and silt get accumulated. Here the roots of the plants submerged under water. In the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta, sundari trees are found. Palm, coconut are also found in the other parts of the delta. Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal which is found in this forest. Turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes are also found in this forest. Now let us see the location of these all forests on the map of India. This is given here. So now let us come towards the wildlife. Wildlife is a term that refers to animals that are not normally domesticated. They are a living resource that will die and be replaced by others of their kind. Individual animals cannot be kept beyond their lifespan, but if managed carefully, population of wildlife can be conserved practically forever. Wildlife sanctuaries. India's wildlife is rich and diverse. Almost 4% of India's land is under forest. India has over 442 animal sanctuaries referred to as wildlife sanctuaries. The wildlife sanctuaries in India are home to around 2,000 different species of birds, 3,500 species of mammals, nearly 30,000 different kinds of insects, and more than 50,000 varieties of plants. These sanctuaries or forest reserves are home to several endangered species of animals and birds like the Asiatic elephant, the Royal Bengal tiger, the snow leopard, and the Siberian crane. Now, in India, there are different types of national parks. Then what is the importance of national parks? The different importance of the national parks are given here. First, landforms in the national parks are protected from development, extinction and pollution and provide a natural habitat for wildlife. Second, national park preserves historical structure. They not only protect animals and wildlife but sometimes can also protect tribal people and their cultures. Fourth, National parks and wildlife sanctuary promote tourism as most visited sites to enjoy the wilderness in the distinct region. Fifth, wild plants and animals are protected in the national parks. That's all from my side. At last, but not the there are also the top 10 largest national parks in India, which are given here. And also, at last but not the least, I would like to say that protect wildlife, protect nature. Don't let them become the history. Thank you.